Welcome to the 3M Automix Easy Plastic Repair System training video. This video will demonstrate a new innovative product and process used in the repair of automotive bumper and plastics. Join us now for the step-by-step process. In this example, we will perform a two-sided repair using 3M Automix Easy Fix Flexible Patch, part number 05888, as a backside reinforcement, and 3M Automix Easy Sand Flexible Parts Repair material, part number 05887, for the front side repair. The first step is to clean the panel thoroughly on both sides with soap and water, followed by 3M General Purpose Adhesive Cleaner, part number 08987. On the front side, use a grade 50 Roll-Lock disc. Dish out the damaged area. Switch to grade 80 DA disc and continue to dish out the repair, ensuring that there are no sharp edges that will cause the repair to be visible once completed. Finish the dishing out and blending into the undamaged area with grade 180. Blow off the repair area using clean, unoiled compressed air. After dish out is completed on the front side, any remaining loose plastic should be removed from the back side of the repair area. Blow off and wipe the area with 3M Automotive Adhesion Promoter, part number 06396, to cover the entire area where the patch will be applied. Allow this to dry for 5 minutes. Caution: be sure to use 06396 Adhesion Promoter for this step. Next, cut the patch, allowing at least a 1 1/2 inch overlap beyond the damaged area. Then, remove the release liner and apply the patch to the back side of the bumper. Press in firmly, as pressure will increase the bond strength. Spray the front side repair area with 3M Automix Polyolefin Adhesion Promoter, part number 05907. Be sure to use 05907 for this step. Allow to dry for 5 minutes. Prepare a cartridge of 3M Automix Easy Sand Flexible Parts Repair material, part number 05887. Be sure to equalize the cartridge before attaching the mix nozzle. Apply Automix Easy Sand Flexible Parts Repair material to the damaged area. A tight coat is followed by additional layers, building up the damaged area just higher than the surrounding area. Allow the adhesive to cure for 15 minutes before sanding. Now that the repair material is cured, begin sanding with 180 DA disc. Sand the repair material level with the surrounding area. If 80 grit is used prior to this step, be careful to keep the 80 grit scratches inside the adhesive area. These deep scratches will be difficult to remove from the bumper plastic. Finish sanding by switching to grade 320, feather edging into the surrounding area. Blow off the repair area using clean, unoiled compressed air. Reapply 05907 Adhesion Promoter. Allow to dry for 5 minutes. The part is now ready for prime and paint per manufacturer's recommendations. Additional tips and techniques. On the back side of the bumper, it is critical that all paint overspray be removed from the area where the patch will be placed. This paint overspray has a weak bond to the bumper plastic and can lift off easily if not removed. We recommend the maroon Scotch-Brite pad with general purpose adhesive cleaner. When damage extends off the edge of the plastic, it is important to prepare as follows. Grind or cut a V-notch on the edge to prevent the damage from propagating later. Follow the procedures to dish out the area on the front side of the repair. Apply part number 06396 Adhesion Promoter to properly cleaned plastic. Apply the Easy Fix Flexible Patch. It is recommended to extend the patch off the edge of the plastic and trim off later. After sanding, trim off the edge and complete the repair procedures. Some damage can extend through feature lines. The Easy Fix Flexible Patch becomes more pliable and easily conforms to these features when moderate heat is applied. Some damage may require using our traditional method of duramax adhesive as a backside reinforcement. Prepare damaged area and apply Duramax semi-rigid plastic repair material, part number 04240, using reinforcement patch material, part number 04904. This method offers excellent strength in difficult to access and high stress areas.